9:45 Thursday night. Finally figured out what was wrong. Probably the whole reason for the misfire. We had tested the spark plug for number 5 previously, but we had done it with the exhaust out, everything you see here out, and the wire just laying up on top of the turbo somewhere, with the plug laying on top of the turbo, and it sparked just fine. What you can see though, hopefully you can see, is that the plug, the end of that spark plug wire boot gets crushed by the wastegate and makes about a 90-degree turn. Yeah, you can't see anything, but trust me that it gets real crushed in there. And so at the end of the plug, instead of being like that one where it's nice and smooth transition, it gets just like absolutely crushed by that wastegate, the diaphragm top half. And so what we did is we just directly hooked the coil output to the number 5 spark plug wire, just like a cut off, basically just a stud, and then used the Megasquirt's output test mode to fire the coil, and you couldn't hear the spark at all. Whereas with all the other cylinders, if you hook it up like this, you'll hear it going. You'll hear the spark firing, but nothing happens when you hook it up to number 5 like this with the number 5 wire actually installed. So we tested it without it in the motor and it seemed fine. So without the spark was fine, but with everything installed, no bueno. So just goes to show you, your tests need to be good tests. So get that fixed, maybe get a shorter plug boot or something like that, and we should be in the business.